Hello students of class 9. Student, as we are reading unit 4 electronic spreadsheets of session 2. Children, in this session we will understand about create, open, save and close the spreadsheet. So as you know how to open and how to create, it is a very simple and easy process. Whenever you want to do work on MS Excel, you do these things. First of all you create the workbook, means you start your application program. In my earlier video I told about how to start or open the MS Excel application. But today we will learn to create and to create a new file, or you can say new workbook, or opening an existing file, or saving your program, whatever you do with your application. And after that, how can we close the spreadsheet? So let us student have a look of this video by practically. That will be a far-reaching effect, and you can do practical at your home also after looking that video. So let's have a this video practically. Children, as you know, for opening the MS Excel program, we go to the start button and click on the Microsoft Office folder and click on the MS Excel. But if you have kept the file or application on your desktop, you can open directly from there, as I have clicked on the desktop. And now you can see here, this is a file, this is the application software. And as you click, and you can use to create a new file without going anywhere, press Ctrl N. And you can see I am pressing the Ctrl N, and now as I have opened two workbook here as a book 2, you can see on the title bar here. And if you press the Ctrl N again, you will find the next workbook. As you can see, book 3 here. You can zoom in and zoom out, as I told you in my early video. Now here you can see book 1, book 2 and book 3. The first, as a book 1, it is shows here written the Ankit. In second, as I have written the hello. And in third, here there is a no anything written. So if you want to close the open workbook, you can press Control plus W, and when you press, it asks to save your changes. If you don't want to save the changes, don't save, or if you want to save the changes, click on save button. But you don't want to, don't save the changes. This way the third file would be closed, and now we have here the first file. As you can see on the screen here, you can as a create by the file tab, file, click on the file, and here you get the create options to create the blank workbook. Or you can create the templates as is given here. You want to create the template as like a report, or here the design or analysis, so you can click on that folder related to the such a template. And here we will get the many templates, but condition is one here, you should have the connected with the internet. It will show you many templates as many predefined work here as records here. So you can choose anyone from here, and you can do your work, as there will be no any need to create a design or format. You will get as a predefined, as it is ready for you earlier. So it is here, you can see as you want so then you have to click on download. So as you click on the download, this template will give you the pre formed, or you can say it is a predefined as a written record. Only you have to change something, like it is a quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, it is have written earlier, but you want to change according to your needs and condition. So you can change by here the product, customer, it is a given on the column. So you can change the column name, or here the record any, or any here the row records or row data. So after changing, we can save it. As you can see here, we want to change. If you don't want to change, to click on the, press the control plus W, or you can click on the close button. So if you want to save, then as a control plus as a S, or you want to save, don't want to save, so don't save tab or option here. So this will be closed. Or if you want to cancel, if you don't want to close, to click on the cancel. And here's the option for the closing. As I click on the close option, go through the file tab here. And if you don't want, then click and you can close by the here the close button given the such a title bar. After the title bar, it is a 3 command button. It is a given the small, it will let you to close only the workbook, this current workbook, not as a whole, as a file here. So this will, I mean, this file will be closed, but workbook will not closed here. So you can see here, as I closed here the file, but it is not closed the workbook. And pressing the control plus N, you can open the new workbook here. So as I have pressed 2 times, you can see book 4, book 5 here, and book 6 also. Means how many workbook you want to generate, you can press control plus N, or you can go through here. As for opening the existing file, click on the file tab and click on open, where you have kept your file, that file which you want to open. Select that drive and that folder, as like here my practice as a folder. Inside this I have some kept some file here. To select that file and click on the open button. So now that existing file would be opened in this file, in this workbook here. You can see here there are lots of the records as I have kept here. And now you want to change, or you want to do work with that, you can do that. And otherwise you can close also that by the clicking on the close options. And if you want to open, as suppose the recent file which you have opened earlier, so you can go through the recent option also. So go to the file tab and click on the recent tab option. So this let you to open the recent file. The children, as you understand here, we can open or here the existing file or create a file. Now as we save or save as, okay. The save, if you want to suppose create a new file, and okay, like as here I search that file like a report which we have opened earlier, but we didn't save that. But now this time we will save this file, and we learn how, what is the difference here, save and save. Control S, it will let you to save your work, but save as, okay, here save as, it saves in a different location. Okay, suppose as it is asking here the location, save as, but control S, it will let you to save only your work. The children, as you can see here, as I saved on the desktop, as I changed the location, that's why here on the desktop. But you learn here to save and save as a different here. Okay, if you create a file first time and you want to save, So you press the control plus S, it asks the name and location, you provide that. But after saving, you open again that file and you do work on that, and you want save again, so then it will not ask the location. But if you want to change that file location, you can press here control plus S. So every new file uh, ask the location and here the permission to save that, in which location, in which drive you want to save. So you use the save as. But you want to save, as you have the existing file and you want to save your work only that, and that is already as a saved in any place, like in any drive that is a saved. The in that time you have to saved only the work, what you have, what you do work on that. So children, as you can see on the screen here, now as you can see as a opening as file here as a saved file, in which drive I have kept. We select that drive and select the file or folder where I have kept. Inside that folder, select that file and click on open. Like as I have saved some here, the report, I mean related to the calculation of the marks here, as the student name here. Then after the marks, like English, Hindi, SST, and science, maths, to here as I put here the number, and it get the total here. The children, if you save, if you do changes, if you write something as an existing file, so then it needs to save only work. Okay, as if you want to change the location, so then you select here save as. Okay children, the save and save as it is a different here. Sometime it needs save only for this saving your work, save your work. But if you want to change your location, to use as a save as option here. And now you can select the location, like as here the desktop, and click on save option. To children, you can see here on the desktop as it is saved here, report card here, it is given the name. So this way children, we save our file as a save as. It create a new location, a new name of that file, and save. It let you to save your work on existing file. The children, I hope you will see this video properly and learn about to create a new file and open an existing file, save and save as differences, and close the spreadsheet. As I showed you here, there are two way to close your file. If you want to close your file only, so you click on the cross button as a given the as a top, I mean title bar cross button, that is the control button here. Below that we find the small close button, you can see on the screen here. You can close the current file only, but it will not let you to close the workbook. And if you press the control plus N, automatically you can create the new workbook without going anywhere, without clicking anywhere. So this way you can close your file also using the control W. If you haven't changes anything in that, so you can press the control W to close your current file, and save and save as, control S for save your work. And if you have opened the new file, then it will let you to it asks to save the file with a new location with new name. And if you open the existing file and you want to save, so you can press by only simple way as a clicking on the quick access toolbar given save as button, or you can press the control plus s. But if you want to change its existing location, so you can change by pressing the control plus s, or you can go through file tab. So children, I hope you will see this video and learn about the session 2. So thank you student, thank you for watching this video.